Assalamu alaikum guys. I'm expecting you all are having wonderful life. Welcome to my channel English with Iffee. Today I'm with you one more important lecture. ये आज का लेक्चर जो है ये है कि ब्रिटिश पीपल नो कैसे कहते हैं. Means how to say no in British English. Means the best way to avoid saying no, right? So and to talk in a better way. So बेहतर तरीके से more native way से कैसे कहना है. Like if someone offers you, कोई आपको ऑफर करता है, would you like to sit down? तो आप यहाँ पर कह सकते हैं I'm good, thank you. Like यहाँ पर आपने no कहा, but instead of saying no, you said I'm good. कि हमने ये कहा कि मैं ठीक हूँ, thank. This is extremely native way, right? Second is like say or someone says you, are you going to take English language class today? Then you reply, I don't think so. It's the second way. And third way is not really. Like any of your friend asks from you, are you going to play cricket? Then you say, not really. I prefer to take rest today. And fourth way is, I would love to, but like if someone invites you and says, would you like to take dinner with me tonight? And in response you say, I would love to, but I'll be busy tonight. Now I let you know the fifth one. And actually these always why I'm gonna let you know. The reason is you need to be polite with the people without being rude. Means सिर्फ no कहने से आप sometime the people feel like कि वो उनको ऐसा लगता है कि आप rude हैं या आप like polite नहीं हैं. तो ये सारे ways जो आपको पहले बताए हैं और एक last मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ, तो ये सारे ways हैं जिनसे आप polite लगते हैं और इसमें किसी को ऐसा नहीं लगता कि आप rude हैं. So like fifth one is, if someone says you, would you like to work with me on Sunday? So then what should be your answer? Your answer should be, actually I'm working on another project, so that's why I can't join you. So it means you have said no, all right, and being polite with reason. Okay, thank you very much. Hopefully this lecture will be very useful for you. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share it. Thank you very much.